Hello. In this video lecture, we discuss about Fourier transform nuclear magnetic resonance. In the short form, we are saying FTNMR, Fourier transform nuclear magnetic resonance. So we are discussing the general introduction. What is the meaning of Fourier transformation, their components of FTNMR and their advantage. So first one is Fourier transform. It is a mathematical operation in which the complex waveform can be broken down into simple mathematical operation. It is the mathematical operation required to convert a time domain spectrum to frequency domain spectrum or vice versa. Following an adequate S/n ratio, digital data must be transformed into the frequency data. It means a computer is essential to solve these complex situations. यदि हम बात करें इनके पीक्स की बात करें, जो सिग्नल इंटेंसिटी और टाइम की बात करें और उसको ह्यूमन ब्रेन से समझने की कोशिश करें, तो जो स्पेक्ट्रा आते हैं उसको इंटरप्रेटेट हम इतना आसानी से कर नहीं पाते, क्योंकि माइक्रो स्पीक्स वगैरह आती हैं, उनको एनालिसिस हम कर नहीं पाते जो इस तरह की शो करती हैं. उसी प्रकार सिग्नल इंटेंसिटी और टाइम को अगर कंप्यूटर से हम ऑपरेट करके देखें और उसको समझने की कोशिश करें, तो हम इजीली फ्रीक्वेंसी और सिग्नल इंटेंसिटी से उस कंपाउंड की स्पेक्ट्रा के बारे में एनालिसिस आसानी से कर सकते हैं. So the first one is continuous wave NMR, which is known as CWNMR. In continuous wave CWNMR, the sample is continuously irradiated with the frequency while the magnetic field is varied, and the spectrum is a recording of which magnetic field cause the sample to absorb RS radio frequency happens when the Larmor frequency. So जो जनरली हम पढ़ा करते थे स्टार्टिंग में CWNMR ही पढ़ा करते थे. नाउ द demerits of CWNMR. First one is conventional NMR is not sensitive. Development of good spectra is microgram quantities is difficult. बहुत कम मात्रा में लेने के बाद उसका स्पेक्ट्रा जो है डिफिकल्ट होता था एनालिसिस करना. टाइम कंज्यूमिंग टेक 100 to 1000 times longer to record a scan relative to FTNMR. 100 से 1000 गुना ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है इसके अंदर. Sometimes it is impossible. कुछ समय ऐसे आते हैं कि जब impossible रहता है. So now we are switching to CWNMR to FTNMR. FTNMR or pulse NMR. The sample is irradiated periodically with brief, highly intense pulse of radio frequency, means RF frequency, following which the free induction decay signal, a characteristic radio frequency emission signal stimulated by the irradiation, is recorded as a function of a time. The frequency domain spectrum can be obtained by a FT employing a digital computer. So, different parts. The spectral range is not scanned continuously. Second one is stimulated all transitions simultaneously. And the last one is each of n increments is exposed to a field for a very short periods, minimum 10 microseconds. Sample is irradiated by a pulse of radio frequency radiation containing all the frequency over the 1H range, means the fixed field. Relaxation by imitating radiation signal, which is known as, already we are discussing, FID, yani free inductions decay. The free induction decay signals contains the vector sum of the response from all the spins. A time domain spectrum is obtained and the FT transformed into frequency domain spectrum. This is the time which change into FT into the with the frequency domain spectrum. इसकी स्पेक्ट्रा में इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट की अगर बात करें तो कंपाउंड जो रहेगा वो सॉल्यूशन बना के स्पिनिंग सैंपल ट्यूब के अंदर रखेंगे. ये जो हैं स्वाइप कॉइल्स हैं जिनको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर रखा जाता है और स्वाइप जनरेटर्स के दौरान इनकी सहायता से इनको स्वाइप किया जाता है, जिनको ये जो रहेंगे कॉइल्स रहेंगे जितनी भी चीज़ें, ये रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रांसमीटर हैं और ये आगे उनको रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी रिसीवर और एम्पलीफायर के द्वारा रिसीव किया जाता है और जो कंट्रोल यूनिट को और रिकॉर्डर को आगे भेज दिया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज FT-NMR इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन। इसकी बात करें तो जो सैंपल ऑलरेडी पहले बात कर चुके हैं आपके पास, सैंपल यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है, इसको रखा, ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, दोनों मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अंदर इसको रखा। ये शुरुआत कहाँ से होगी? रेडियो सिंथेसाइजर, उसके बाद पल्स स्विच और उसके बाद RF रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रांसमीटर के द्वारा इसको मैग्नेटिक कॉइल के बीच में रखने के बाद में इसको किया जाता है। उससे जो निकलता है आपके पास वो RF एम्पलीफायर है सबसे पहले यहाँ पे। फिर ये जाएगा फेज सेंसिटिव डिटेक्टर है, जो सेंसिटिव है, डिटेक्टर करेगा आपके पास कौन कौन सी अवस्थाओं के अंदर है। और देन इट गोज टू द टाइम स्विफ्ट कंप्यूटर एंड FT ट्रांसफॉर्म, ये फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म के अंदर चला जाएगा। एंड देन वी गॉट द आउटपुट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वीडियो एंड हार्ड कॉपी के अंदर। A radio transmitter coil that produce a short powerful pulse of radio waves. A powerful magnet that produce strong magnetic fields. Magnets and probes are similar to those of continuous wave instruments. The sample is placed in a glass tube that spins, so the test material is subject to uniform magnetic field. A radio receiver coil that detects radio frequency emitted as the nuclei relax to a lower energy level. A computer that analyzes and record the data. This is the different types of FT-NMR. The first one is sample stimulation. First one is in sample stimulation is the power of the RF pulses. The intensity of the signal detected in pulse NMR is a function of the power of RF pulse used for excitation. Suitable RF power and pulse width cause magnetization to rotate by 90-degree pulse. Relaxation process occurs. The magnitude of the magnetization decreases with time. The resulting signal is known as FID. Second one is pulse duration and recycling time. The all precessional frequency within the effective bond width of the pulse are excited. The extent is inversely proportional to the duration of pulse in the time domain. The border of the pulse spectral region, the shorter is the pulse. Second one is detector. Detects the decay of magnetization with respect to the time. Second one is FID corresponding to absorption of a single frequency spectrum is a simple exponential decaying sine wave. The FID modulated all the frequency consists of a set of interfering waveforms along with the noise, and FID related with the time is called the time domain spectrum. The other factor is homogeneity of the sample, stability of the magnetic field, presence of the paramagnetic substance in the sample, and the last one is chemical exchange of nuclei. Digitization. Digitization by employing analog to digital converter means ADC. It is collected is an array of integers in a computer. The interval between the points at which the FID is sampled at the tail T. It shows the maximum frequency that can be measured in the FID. So the formula is spectral width SW is equal to half multiplied by del T. Measure the efficiency of an instrument to distinguish between the signals and the electronic noise. Sn is equal to mean upon standard deviation. It is a function of variables such as instrumental and the nature of the sample. Sn ratio depends upon the strength of the applied magnetic field. Means Sn is proportional to the H0. The more intensity the magnetic field, the better will be the Sn ratio. The Sn ratio is the average signal amplitude upon root mean square RMS noise. RMS noise is equal to average peak to peak noise 2.5. Signal noise ratio means S upon N enhancement. For the PMR spectrum, Sn enhancement is required in case of the micro amount sample. In NMR, the other nuclei enhancement is commonly employed since the sensitivity of NMR experiment may be drastically reduced by appropriate instrument design, signal averaging to isolate the signal from noise, by FT using filtering techniques. So these are the advantage of the FT is Jacquinite advantage, means few optical elements, resolving power, reproducibility, and the last one is data obtained in microseconds. Advantage of TNMR: dramatic increase in the sensitivity of NMR measurement, has with widespread application especially for 13C NMR, 13P NMR and 19F NMR, giving high signal to noise ratio, facilitating rapid scanning, can be obtained with less than 5 mg of the compound. The signal stand out clearly with almost no electronic background noise, used in engineering, industrial quality control and the medicine, and most important technique is MRI is used in the FT NMR applications. Thank you very much.